Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Kavina here, and we are about to start a regular procedure. So Kavina, what got you interested in having a hair transplant?
I was pretty much tired of not having edges. Can't do hairstyles that I like, and dealing with self-confidence issues. So I figured, why not? I've researched it for long enough. Just do it.
So Kavina showed up this afternoon for an afternoon procedure. And pretty much, we're actually pretty lucky. She does have a widow's peak, which she definitely wants to continue with. And she had quite a bit of traction alopecia. However, not to the fullest extent. So I know that we'll be able to pack this in solid, put it in about a good 40%, 30 to 40% density. So Kavina, it definitely is excited about the procedure. She flew into town for this procedure. And any thoughts before we go into the procedure room?
No, I'm just excited and ready to get it done.
Well, we'll check in on you in just a little bit. So here we are almost finishing up with the procedure. We have officially finished with the strip. We've made our incision sites, and now what we're doing is planting in the grafts. Kavina, how have you been?
Pretty good so far, pretty good.
And what would you have to share with everybody?
I'll just say, you know what, just do it. Just do it, just do it, just do it. I waited a long time for this, and it's finally here. It feels so surreal, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it once the hair grow in, and it's already worth it now, I can tell. Everybody here has been nice and kind, and we've been laughing, you know, having a good time. So just do it.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
So Kavina's definitely we redrew out her edges. We got all the way back to her ear. We're expecting great results, and we'll check up on the final results and take more pictures as we go. Thanks so much, Kavina.
Thank you.
And here we are with Kavina. Kavina, we finally come to an end, and you did amazing. The staff loved you. Tell us about your day.
So it was a pretty much laid-back day, a great experience. Everybody here was so nice and so awesome, and I'm just glad I actually chose to come here versus somewhere else. It was awesome. I have no complaints, and like I said earlier in the video, just do it, do it, do it. I'm thankful and grateful that I have got this done and that I chose to come here with everybody here.
And we're gonna keep up with Kavina throughout her transition, 3 months, 6 months, 8 months. She's welcome to call at any time. Reassurance, questions, and sutures will come out in 10 to 14 days, and she'll do amazing.
Yep.
Kavina, it was a pleasure. Thank you so much.
And thank you all. Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.